Okay, I think I figured out what's wrong with these lifters. I got another bad one. So if you take these apart, disassemble all the pieces, and look at this spring-loaded cup in here. This has a spring on the end, and that should slide smoothly in and out of there, like that. It bounces on that spring. So this is a good lifter. This one, that cup is so tight, I can't even get it out of there. I can feel it binding. I got it out a little bit just by, I shoved a cloth down in there and got my, like this. Stuck my finger kind of down in there with a cloth, and I was able to turn it a little bit and get it out part way, but I still can't even get it out all the way. So you can see how smooth this one goes up and down. And this one is just machined wrong. That's way too tight to fit. If I try to push it in now, you can just hear it binding and scratching. So there's no way that thing's gonna pump up. That's a junk lifter.